What's the meaning of bloodsucker? Bloodsucker. Bloodsucker.
Bloodsucker. Bloodsucker. The term bloodsucker is typically used to refer to a parasitic organism that feeds on the blood of other living beings. This can include organisms such as leeches, mosquitoes, and ticks. More commonly, the term is used figuratively to describe people who exploit or take advantage of others for their own gain. This can refer to individuals who use others for financial gain, emotional support, or other forms of personal benefit without reciprocating in kind. Overall, the term bloodsucker carries negative connotations and is often used to describe people or behaviors that are seen as exploitative or harmful.